Hello everyone. Welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard commerce students and we are discussing 5th chapter from syllabus, that is database concepts using LibreOffice base. In last lecture we have discussed about some of the DBMS concepts, that is database management system, and the different objects of it like table, query, form, report, etc. So today we are going to have an introduction of the base software. In a LibreOffice there are different applications and one of which is a base application. So today we are going to discuss about a base. So let us have an introduction to base. Base is a relational database management software, that is nothing but RDBMS. A DBMS that is based on a relational data model is called as a RDBMS. So base is a relational database management software. Data model is the internal structure of database, that is what is consisting of a database, what different elements, different objects are there, that forms a data model. So it is the internal structure of database which describes the way of sorting, retrieving of the data. So that is about a data model. Relational data model is the one of the most popular data model because it is very simple to understand and to manipulate. So base is such a relational, having such a relational data model. In RDBMS, data is stored in the most simple and versatile structure, that is a table. So in RDBMS, once we create a database in a base, we create a different tables to store the data. So it is a very simple and versatile structure. Base is a collection of related data objects known as a table, forms, queries, and reports. As we have discussed in last lecture, these are the different objects of any database. So base is collection of such a different related data objects which are related to each other. Table, form, queries, and reports will be related to each other. For example, if our database is of a student, then there will be different tables like a student table, teacher table, and reports can be student attendance. So this is a related, these terms, these objects are related to each other. Table and report are related to each other. To retrieve a data about a student, we can create a form of student. So form will consisting of the fields like student name, address, and which will be stored in the tables. To access the data from table, we will fire a query. So these are the different related objects in a base. So base is a collection of such a related data objects. So this is about an introduction to the base. Now how to use the LibreOffice and base application. So to use the base or to start the base, first of all we have to install the LibreOffice from its official website. So in from Google you can search LibreOffice exe file. It is a free and open source software easily available. You can download its exe file and install the LibreOffice. Once you have installed the LibreOffice, you can use the base. So to open it, you can click on the start, then all programs, then go to the LibreOffice and then open the base. Instead of that, there are many more options also to open the base software. Like suppose in search also you can type a name of application and you will get a application here. So click on that and now you have to, this is the LibreOffice platform, and from that there are different applications like Writer, Calci, Impress, Draw, Math, and Base. Here we have to use a base to create new database. So click on the base database. Now this window will appear. See here when we will discuss these points also. So once the LibreOffice is open, a database wizard will started. To create new database, user have to select create new database and click on the next button. So see in this window, to create a database, here we have to select database, then create new database. It is by default selected, then click on the next button. Now we have to save and proceed. So for that we have to click on a finish button. See here in the steps also. After that, in the save and proceed step, click on the finish. So after clicking on finish, a save as window will appear on the screen. We have to select the location to save the database, type the name for database and save that database. Its extension will be by default .odb. So let us follow these steps. First of all, to save and proceed, you have to click on a finish button. After that, save as window has appeared. In this, you have to select a path. Suppose a path is like this. Here we have to type a name for our database. Suppose it is a student database. Then save. Click on the save button and student.odb database has been created. Its extension is .odb. See here, student.odb. Now in this way you can use a LibreOffice to create a base or to create a database. You can use a base application of LibreOffice. Now here you can see this platform which is appeared here. See here. In the same way, here database consisting of the different objects like tables, queries, forms and reports, and here are the different options available for table, to create table, etc. Then these are the options for query, for form and for report. So in this way we will get a new database created and name of database is a student.odb. So let us have an introduction about this, that is about a title bar, menu bar, toolbar, etc. So let us move ahead. Screen of the base consisting of the different things and different parts, which are those. So first one is a title bar. Here you can see a topmost bar is the title bar. You can see here, this is the icon. This icon is of base software from LibreOffice. So this is the icon. After that there is a name, student.odb, name of the database. Then after that, name of the software, LibreOffice base, and here you will see the three different buttons to minimize, maximize and restore and to close this window in this way. Minimize, maximize and close. So this is a first, that is a title bar. See here, here is the description about it. It is the topmost bar present on the screen of base. It displays icon of application. Here is the, this is the icon of application. After that, name of the database. So see here, after that, name of the file, name of the application, that is LibreOffice, and by default it displays the file name .odb, that is LibreOffice base. It is having three different buttons: minimize, maximize, restore or and close. Okay, so this is about a title bar. This is a title bar, the topmost bar present on the screen of base. After that, this is a menu bar. So here you can see file, edit, view, insert, tools, window and help. So this is a menu bar. See here, it is present below the title bar. Very next to title bar there is a menu bar. It displays the names of different menus like file, edit, view, insert, tools, windows, help, etc. Each menu is consisting of the drop down list. Okay, once we click on one of the menu, it will pop up a drop down list of various options related to that particular menu. So see here, if we click on a file, then here you will get a drop down list of different options. If you click on a view, it will also show you the drop down list related to this menu. So in this way we will get a drop down list related to that particular menu. After that, there is a standard toolbar. So here you can see a standard toolbar. See here, standard toolbar consists of different icons which are used for standard operations, and those are mostly used in a repeatedly manner, that is regularly repeating operations. So for that particular operations, there are different icons which are there on a toolbar. So like those icons or those options are like opening new document, saving document, printing document, cut paste, copy paste, undo, redo, and many different options are there. So see here, you can see new to create a new document, to open a document, to save the document, to cut, copy, sort, etc. So there are different options which options are regularly or repeatedly performed. So for that, this is the standard toolbar. So after that, this window is nothing but a working area of the base. So let us study about a working area. Rest of the part below the standard toolbar is called as the working area. So whole area below the standard toolbar is nothing but a working area. It is divided into two panes, left pane and right pane. Left pane displays the name of database objects like table, queries, forms and reports, and right pane displays the activities related to that particular objects. So as we know, this is the working area below the standard toolbar. It is consisting of the two panes. This is the left pane and this is the right pane. Left pane consisting of the different objects, name of the objects, table, queries, forms and reports. Once we click on the table, on the right pane we will get a different options related to that object. So create new table, use wizard to create table, create view. So these are options related to table which are available in a right pane. Then when we click on the queries, same, create query in design view, in SQL view. In this way we will get a different options for these objects in a right pane. So this is a working area. So this is an introduction about a LibreOffice base software. So here in your syllabus, this part, that is screen of base consisting of title bar, menu bar, standard toolbar and working area, this part has been skipped for this year. But this is very easy and useful also, so you can go through it. Note down all these points in your notebook and install the LibreOffice in your system also. Thank you.